The Brandification software is the digital tool for worldwide tracking and controlling of all brand touchpoints across one or more brands. Features include your personal brand dashboards, customer journeys, your brand touchpoint list, touchpoint surveys, software-based task management, and many more. In the Touchpoint view, you can collect your brand touchpoints in a structured list, including all relevant information such as name, photo, description, or responsibility. In the Touchpoint Monitor, you have detailed insights about every touchpoint right at your fingertips. Internal and external touchpoint surveys help you gauge the current status of your brand touchpoints as well as their progress over time and provide you with detailed insights and evaluations. Actionable insights allow you to add, structure, and monitor all tasks related to your touchpoints to get rid of pain points and create the best experience for your customers. Create detailed, lifelike personas to represent your customers and trace different customer journeys from beginning to end. The Brandification software, your central platform for digitally designing brand touchpoints, personas, and customer journeys from a brand perspective.